found this off-brand mini heat press on Amazon. It was only about $30, I believe, at the time that I purchased it. This is the brand name. I thought I'd test it out in this tutorial. I haven't really had a chance to use it. I wanted to see if it would work. This way, you know, crafters who are on a budget have options instead of having to pay. I'm not 100% sure how much the Cricut brand is, but I think it's at least 70 bucks. So I already tested it out on one of the hats for TikTok, and I want to see if it'll work just as good on one of the bigger designs. So first I'm going to try and get out the wrinkles. This will be the first design I do. I never measure, I just eyeball. I eyeball it, which probably isn't a good habit, but I don't want to burn it, so I'm going to cover that. I don't think it'll burn. This is such a small press. And I've never used one of these before, so I can't really compare it to the Cricut. I just know that it's much more affordable. And if it gets the job done, I'm not one who cares about brands, so if it gets the job done, why not? I'm trying to apply a good amount of pressure, and this vinyl, the directions say to wait 1 minute before peeling. So I'm trying to really press to make sure it adheres. I normally use a heat press, so if this doesn't work, I'm just going to press it with my heat press. Okay, let's wait 1 minute and see. Okay, it's been about a minute, so it worked, you guys. All right. I'm just going to put this over and go over it one more time just to ensure that we get a good press on the design. Since, like I said, I've never used one of these, I normally use my heat press, which applies a lot of pressure just by itself. So I want to make sure that this is not going anywhere. All right, looks great. Now let's do the other ones.